What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
It's disabled. I forgot my passcode.
And you're trying to unlock it?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I got you. Connect your USB cable. Press and release volume up button, press and release volume down button, press and hold the power button until you see the iTunes logo appears. This is what you have to see it. Open iTunes on your computer. Connect your USB cable. Restore and update. Restore completed. Okay, let's get started. Your phone is ready, sir.
Wow. You are the best at your job, man.
You got it.
Good. Thank you.